Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onyebes, and you're welcome to Onyebes Beauty Patente B. So guys, in today's video, we'll be dealing on Segnale Di Precedenza. Alright, so if you're just coming across my channel, we've done that of the part 1 of this Segnale Di Precedenza. Now we've done the part 2 as well. This is part 3. That means you have to go back to part 1, watch part 1, watch part 2, and still meet us here again, because it is important that you don't miss any vital part of these chapters. All right, now for the newcomers, if you're new to this patente stuff, okay, and if you're just seeing my channel for the very first time, I recommend chapter 1 down to chapter 5 that we are in now. Okay, don't miss out on any of these chapters as well, because all of them now waiting we need to get this patente. Okay, please, newcomers, you're welcome to the family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video to your family and friends. And the old timers, old comers, comers, you're welcome. Welcome to my channel. Now, some people usually write me because I don't know what to do. But I think this will help. In fact, I know it's going to help for those of you who say, when I know the people phone for eyes, okay, you find it difficult to use the phone to take lens. Some people will not be saying because they get eye problem. Some people feel say they're boring. Some people feel say then they see for book, it will see the better for them. Now, this set of people, in the description box below, I have a link to where you go get the patente bit theory in English. Okay, we also have that of multilingual that has Chinese, that has France. Okay, it also has English inside. That's what is multilingual. I'm going to leave all this one. Even it has Arab language as well. Okay, so I'm leaving it in the description box below. Get the one that you want, the particular language you want. Okay, and of course, try to use the book. There's no excuse whatsoever. So not everything if you use phone, at least you go physically use book, right? So go to the description box, get it through the link, and of course it's going to be delivered to you as soon as possible so that you can start joining us in this. Okay, it is very important. Now today we are talking of Segnale Di Precedenza, part 3, number 1, read it from my list. They call it INTERSEZIONE con precedenza a destra. Junction with right of way to the right. That means you need to give person with your right the right of way making go. So we're going to know much about this as we read. Okay, now this is not the sign. You see, I told you that you will know them by their sign, their color, and their shape. What is the inside the sign as well? You can still know them. Now, when you see times like this, then times and this way, it tell you say the next junction where you want meet 150 ahead of you, you need to give precedence to vehicle where they your right hand side. Now let us see what this sign is telling us. È un segnale di prescrizione. Now, this na segnale di prescrizione. Remember, say, segnale di precedenza na also segnale di prescrizione. So, if you not even ask you for your test, say, this na segnale di precedenza. If you not ask you, if you can use another way, take ask you, say, is this segnale di prescrizione? It is still vero. Preannuncia un incrocio di norma 150 metri in cui vale la regola generale di dare la precedenza a destra. Now this one, they announce to you 150 meters ahead of you. There's a junction where we say, una go regulate this way, giving right of way to vehicles by the right hand side. So whoever has the right hand side free, now you go first. If vehicle dey your right hand, you go wait, make that vehicle first of all go. Prescrive di procedere a velocità particolarmente moderata e dare precedenza a veicoli provenienti da destra e assicurarsi, attenzione, che quelli provenienti da sinistra siano disposti a darla. Now, you need to go at a moderate velocity. Give precedence to vehicle with your right hand side and make sure say the one with your left hand side, then they ready to give you your right of way. So not go say because now you get right of way, you can't move anyhow. Still moderate your speed. Make sure say then they give you your own right of way to go. All right, because if there's an accident, say you too, you will follow share the cup of cake. So avoid them. Even if now you that you're right, still go with calm. Ok. Non si trova su tratto di strada con diritto di precedenza. Now, you don't go find this sign for road we get right of way. That's what I'm saying. You will not find this sign for road we get right of way. I'm going to go back to the sign. This one, you're not going to find it for road we get right of way. Now, road we don't get right of way. That is where you're going to see that sign. Now, I got a picture of what it looks like on the road. You see the sign here. Give vehicles with your right of way. That means when your right hand is free, you can go. All right? That is what it is in this junction. Give precedence to this one on your right hand side, allow am go. When your right hand free, then you can go. Now, no say you need to make sure say the one we go even to your left, we're supposed to give you right of way. Since now you dey right, make sure say that left one, they ready enough to give you right of way. Because most times some people they junction, but they don't forget, say these rules they apply. They don't forget, they don't think, go. So many things in my head. If you can forget, can they move, it will come cause accident. So you have to make sure that they are in the right mind. That means they are giving you right of way. Now we have another one. Okay, they call it intersezione con diritto di precedenza. Intersezione con diritto di precedenza. I'm going to bring it for you. This is the sign. Okay, this is intersezione con diritto di precedenza. Now, let's go back to what it says. È un segnale di precedenza. Now, this sign, what I just show you, now segnale di prescrizione as well, segnale di precedenza. Preannuncia un incrocio di norma 150 metri in cui si ha la precedenza su veicoli provenienti dalla strada secondaria da destra e da sinistra. Now, the sign they tell you, see, you get right of way over vehicles where they come both for your right hand side and your left hand side. Sorry, okay, this is you see this sign for road, na segnale di prescrizione, na segnale di precedenza as well. They tell you, see, 150 meters ahead of you, there is a junction. We come out from these two places, your right and your left. Where we say, now you get right of way over these two small roads. It's a smaller roads. We come out, won't enter the road where you don't drive on. Now you get right of way over them. You have the right of way over these two vehicles. Okay, it is just announcing to you that 150 meters, two roads come out for it. Ok, sono ovviamente senza diritto di precedenza. They do not have right of way. You have the right of way. Perde la sua efficacia in presenza di agenti che regola il traffico. Now, if there's an agent, let me go back to the picture because I like to be clearer enough. Now, if there's an agent that is controlling the traffic, you get agents where they control traffic, and this sign they there. For example, you have the right of way, right? And the agent says stop. This sign now loses its value, it loses its importance because there's an agent in the traffic telling you to stop. You have to stop, even though say that you get right of way. You have to stop. So even if the agent tells those two smaller roads, say go, they have to go. When now they obey the agent in the traffic go over the sign. If you're not understanding, comment section, it is wide open for you to throw your chip in your questions, right? If there's need for a video, I will do one. If there's no need, I'm going to reply you in the comment section. Ok, puoi essere preceduto da segnale diritto di precedenza. Now, you go see this one before you see let me show you. This one, diritto di precedenza. When you see this one for your road, it tells you that you get right of way, no? Then you can't see this one. This one, they tell you now, say, two road come out, but now you still get right of way. They no get right of way. But remember, say, when agent did the traffic, you go obey them over the sign. Ok, let's keep reading. Impone comunque di rallentare, calma, slow down, accendosi che I veicoli incrociati da destra e da sinistra sono disposti a dare la precedenza. So make sure, say, the vehicle where they come out from these two roads, I'm going to go back to the picture, so as I talk, it go to enter. The vehicle where won't come out from these two roads, make sure, say, themselves, then they give you your right of way where you get. Remember, say, only the sign when you see them, now you still get right of way. Now make sure say the two road wey wan enter your own road wey dey circulate on, those vehicles wey dey come out from those road, they are giving you your right of way. Make sure. That is why you have to slow down and make sure say them then they on standby. They wait when you for go. Because most times they will still forget. We are all humans. Most times they'll forget say let me get right of way. So that at that moment it will not cause an accident. Slow down and on your path make sure say them they obey the law. Non è vero che è posto su autostrada, dove non si possono essere incroci a raso. There's no incroci a raso. Incroci on a junction. You will not see a level junction in autostrada. That's why you never see this sign for autostrada. The picture has gone. Come, let me bring the picture for you. Okay, question. Because in autostrada, you will not find a level junction. That is what they call incrocio a raso. The only junction you will find in autostrada, and even the Sorbana Principale, now incrocio alle ville sfassati of different height, diverse height. That means say they're of different height, but they get connection. Now that kind of junction you go see for strada. Now I've talked about that particular junction. In fact, I've talked about the difference between these two junctions, Incrocio Araso and Incrocio Leviles Facility. Those one are in chapter 1. That is why I tell you that it is vital not to miss any of these videos. Now, if you never turn that notification bell on, it is not going to be favorable. Please, I beg, go turn them on so that anytime I post a video, you will be the first to know. That way you don't miss out on this vital information. And if you're not subscribed, if you watch them by mistake or by chance, that means say your Patente not enough for your door. I beg subscribe, okay? And of course, turn your notification bell on so that anytime I post video, you go there current. It is very, very, very important. So, like I said earlier, you will find this junction for autostrada because there's no inclusion araso for autostrada. There's actually another type you see. When we get there, I will let you know. Now, I actually bought a photo of this same junction. Then you say, as you they go, so you get two road way come out. Now you still get right of way. But also remember, say, when you see a gente di traffico, you will obey them over the sign. Thank you for watching. Hope it is well explained. If it is not, I beg, tell me where they lack for comment section so that I will work towards it to make sure that you understand. In fact, that's the actual reason why this channel was opened in the first place, because I feel that when I explain, most people they understand. Now, if on your own part, you know, get where you don't understand, or maybe some things while they talk, you know, they flow away. If I'm my pigeon, still let me know. I will still let some small boy. If I'm my English, still let me know. I will still break as small. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.